I saw a comment recently where someone asked, uh, will a non-compete or non-disclosure agreement help me if I give information out about a seller or a property location uh, with someone that I'm talking to? And the answer to that is absolutely not. In fact, you really need to be careful how much information you put out there in these Facebook groups about properties or sellers that you're talking to. Even if you have that thing under contract, I'm telling you, it is dog eat dog out there, and those guys will try to go around you. A lot of them will, not all of them, but a lot of people will try to go around you and get to that seller and try to get that property out from under you. So, a non-compete, non-disclosure agreement, if they sign it, that is not going to protect you, because if they violate it, what's your next step? Well, you have to sue them. Okay, you've got to get them served. You got to get them in front of a judge. You've got to get a ruling against them. But then the important part of a judgment is collecting on that judgment. That can be the hard part. A lot of people go to court thinking if they win, they're going to get paid. But winning isn't that hard. Getting paid can be problematic, especially when you're dealing with people that don't have the means to pay you. So, get a non-disclosure, get a non-compete agreement, but don't expect that to totally protect you, because it's a piece of paper, it's an agreement, but the process to enforcing that agreement can be long and expensive. So know who you're dealing with if at all possible, uh, and only deal with trustworthy individuals.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. While you're here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out these other great videos and podcast episodes.